The Tools menu for the People Profile form is only available when the People Profile is open. Select Tools from the main menu. The first option in the menu is Blanket Changes. If you only want to make changes to certain people's records and not everyone's record, mark the person's name in the list at the top left. There are two buttons to mark or unmark all of the names in the list. The Associated Company section in the lower left portion of the form will either mark or unmark company associations. Put a check mark in the change box in front of each field you want to change for every person's record that is marked in the list of people's names. Only fields that have the change box checked will be changed. If you want to remove data from a field for every selected person's record, for example, if you want to remove any notes for all of the people in the database, select Change, then select the blank checkbox for notes at the bottom of the form. If you want this to be done for every person in the database, be sure that all of the names are selected in the names list. If you want to insert the same information in one or more fields for every person, just mark the change box and enter the data in the field at the right of the label. Notice that the state or province label is underlined. It can be clicked on and it changes so that the international address can be entered. Notes can replace the data that's currently in the field with the data that you enter here, or you can select the Append to Notes option and the data will be added to the end of the data that's already in the field. The second option in the People Profile Tools menu is Select Defaults. This is similar to Blanket Changes, but the data entered here is automatically inserted each time a new record is created for a person. For example, if all of the people that you create records for are located in the state of New Jersey, uncheck the blank option and select New Jersey from the state or province pull-down list. Notice that the state or province label is underlined. This means that you can click on the label and the state or province option changes to an international address text box. The same as previous option will insert the same data for the selected field as what is in the last record in the People Profile table. The Update Name List option in the Tools menu is not used often, but after importing data from an external source, the names in the list in the top left corner of the form can appear differently than the names in the text boxes on the right side of the form. If this should happen, press the Update Names List button and the names will be resynchronized with the names in the table. This concludes the tutorial movie for the People Profile menu.